Now you're going to start the thinning process. Take the weaker looking plant and gently pull it out of the pot. You will only be needing one plant from now on, so that they don't compete with each other. The general rule for watering is simple: water as needed. When the medium in the pots or the mesh are looking dry, it is time to water. This should happen every 2 to 3 days. Water evenly at each corner and in the middle of the tray. Before measuring, please be aware that the side of the pot with the stake is considered the back of the pot.
I'm going to be showing you how to measure your plant. Make sure to use the centimeter side of your ruler to measure from the base of the plant to its highest point. You could use another ruler to get accurate measurements. Now you measure the depth from front to back. And lastly, the width from right to left. For maintenance purposes, make sure all your equipment is working, including your light, your timer, and your hygrometer. Make sure to record the temperature and humidity of the box daily.
You'll be given a spreadsheet like the one shown. You will need to input the plant dimensions weekly. You will also need to average the daily temperatures and humidities each week and record the amount of water added. Lastly, you will need to record the plant's health each week. Here are some examples of what the 4 categories could look like. Thanks for watching!